Yeah, Kuumba Made was started about 40 years ago, if not 45. We do fragrances, we do facial care, and we do different kinds of herbal salves. We did go for an ERP last year, and we did execute the ERP, but honestly, we were not impressed with the capabilities at all. And that's where I stepped in and we started doing the research on a new ERP. Time, money, and then yes, there were a few risks. We were having some issues with orders that were processed, but they showed up as processed. That could have a big impact. We would think that an order is not sent out because the system is telling us the order is not sent out, but we have already sent it out. So if we have a much bigger facility, it's very easy for somebody else to start sending the material out again, which means, we're basically just giving inventory for free. Yes, the system needs to have a few capabilities built into it. One of which is quality check of our processes, quality check of the material received. The second feature that absolutely is a non-negotiable is lot tracing. We need to be able to lot trace all the way from a sales order to the raw material that was used to create that particular product that was sold to a client. And that is a non-negotiable as soon as you start working under USDA regulations, and as soon as you start working under GMP, ISO, or FDA, they all require lot tracing. Once I saw the demo, I was thrilled to see the features in it. I was happy to know that it integrates with scales directly, and we can control the recipe percentages and the weights by directly communicating with a weighing scale, the operators, and any of the filling individuals required for filling, packing. All of them can operate BatchMaster on the handheld mobile scanners, which are becoming really popular in the industry right now. We really like the fact that if in the future we choose to bring in more modules from BatchMaster, their financial module or their warehouse management module, and all the associated integrations with ShipStation, Shopify, they did assure us that we can decide to pull the trigger in the future anytime we want. That makes the system very cost effective for a company our size, because we don't have to put hundreds of thousands of dollars into a software that we are unsure of whether it's going to solve the problem for us or not. Weighing scale integration. I think weighing scale integration is really important in our industry. If they have an automated system that records the amount of product put into a batch, they don't have to write 10 or 20 different pieces of paper that guarantee that this is what we put in. Making that automated, it really simplifies the process quite a lot. I think people tend to use the word ERP and BMP very loosely, and they should really search for products that are specializing in BMP and not just in ERP. And that's specific to our industry, because ERP solves the problem of operations, but BMP solves the problem of manufacturing under a regulated industry.